This is Bhudandi plant. It is very famous in Amarkantak, and this is very beneficial for cough and cold. Its fruit is used for cough and cold. Its shape is like makoy fruit. You can see here, you can observe it. This is its a fruit, red, and here it are seeds. Very famous plant of Amarkantak, Bhudandi. It is called Bhudandi in Ayurveda. So many fruits you can observe here. This is red fruit. Its shape is like makoy. Yes, two fruits are here. It's very tasty. Yes, you can see so many plants, Bhudandi plants. So many plants are planted here naturally. Yes, this is very beautiful white flower. Here you can see or you can observe its fruit, very tasty fruit. You can also eat. If you eat, its taste is like makoy fruit.